Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get glass effects on icon. So One UI 8 introduces a new customization option where your home screen icons can now have a glass-like transparent effect. So it gives a modern premium feel to your UI. It's reflecting wallpaper colors and subtle light and shadow. So this glass effect on icons, you'll find it in the GoodLock module. So go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, go ahead and tap on Theme Park. And here, tap on Icons, tap on Create New, and now go ahead and tap on Effects just at the bottom, and here you'll see the glass effect. Now go ahead and configure your edge, light, and the angle. Go ahead and choose a color if you like. Now once you're done, tap on Save at the top right. Go ahead and give this a name. Now go ahead and tap on this and then go ahead and apply this. So now when you go ahead and look at your icons, you'll see that they're all running on a glass effect. So your phone looks cleaner, fresher, and more personalized. So it's not just functional, it makes your Galaxy feel like a brand new hardware. So there you go guys, this is how to get the glass effect on icons on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.